Lesson 21.
Average. The average of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers divided by the total number of numbers in the set.
And here is an example of the sentence that was just read. This is more mathematically. The sum of the numbers is on top, you add them all up, and then you divide by the number of numbers. How many are in the set total? How many numbers in the set? And that'll always give you average. Sound familiar? Good, I hope so.
The average of the four numbers, 1, 2, 4, and 5 is 3.
So here's an example. We've got a 1, a 2, a 4, and a 5. We add them together, we get 12. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in the set. The number of numbers in the set is 4, so we divide by 4, and that's what gives us our average is actually 3. Well, here's a picture of that.
If we have 4 stacks of pancakes as shown here,
This one would represent this one, a stack of 2 in this pancake stack, 4 in this stack, 5 in this stack. Here's just a picture or a visual of something that might be an example that goes with this example that's just pulled from the air. Who knows? It's not even real life. But anyway, so this is the total number of pancakes represented here.
the average is the number in each stack if we distribute the pancakes evenly.
Okay, so all you're doing when you're finding average is saying, it's not fair for this guy to only have 1 pancake. This guy gets 5. That's not fair. So you gather all the pancakes. Give me all the food, and then you just distribute the food evenly. So that means now it's fair. Everyone gets 3 pancakes each. It's wonderfulness, okay? So average is kind of like averaging the playing field, making it all even for everyone so everyone has a fair shot. Whatever you want to do to remember, this is a great visual. That'll help you remember. The average is just taking everything that's out there, collecting it all, and then passing it back out, distributing it evenly among the players. Cool, so here's average. 3, 3, 3. However many is in each stack, once you've distributed it evenly, is the average. All right, so how are we going to make it different this year since we already know this kind of? We've already been practicing this the last couple of years of your math life, your math career. What can we do differently?
If we know the average of a set of numbers, we can determine the sum of the numbers.
Interesting. If we know the answer here, and we already know the answer, someone gave us the answer, could we figure out what this is? I don't know. Like say this number is missing. I mean, how do we figure out the missing number? We would have to work backwards through this average problem? I don't know. That's what we're going to discuss in class. So you bring your brain, and we're going to have some fun working these problems in class.